Ugh. Alright. Hey, so I recently switched Linux distros since, I don't know, the last video, I guess. So I wanted to do just a quick, short video about like my updated workflow. So let's switch back to my desktop. Alright, let's just open up a terminal. So originally I was using Ubuntu 18.04, I believe. Extremely customized because I wanted to use i3 Window Manager, which is what you're seeing right now. And that's just a tiling window manager where you can add more windows and it'll take up exactly the amount of space that we want. So it'll look something like this. Get rid of my camera so you can see everything. And you just like do this and make a bunch of windows. So that was just kind of like the reason why I wanted to switch to Linux. But i3 doesn't really work all that well in Ubuntu that I found out without like a lot of customization. So right now I'm switched to Manjaro, which comes with a preset i3 image ISO. So that's what I've downloaded. A lot of things remain the same because I moved just some of my configuration over to Manjaro, and that's one of the good reasons of having a .files repo. This is just a repository with all of my configuration stuff. It's always updating, so I'm always changing stuff around and removing stuff. So you'll see that I have a Vim configuration as well as a Emacs Doom stuff. Just things that I'm trying out, but nothing is really set in stone. Alright, let's go back to first workspace, clear this. And in terms of development environment, let's actually go into a project. So I'm going to do Ranger source, and let's just open up React Conduit, which is the tutorial series that I'm working on right now. And I'm still using Visual Studio Code. Let's see. The extensions that I added first was Vim, obviously, and then Dracula as my dark theme, as well as material icons. So that's, oh, and also bracket pair colorizer. So those are like the 4 extensions that are absolutely necessary. There's some other stuff that I added, like prettier and auto rename tags, but yeah, I mean, this collection is probably going to grow as I keep developing. Alright, let's close this. For just smaller files, I don't really need the power of an IDE, so I just use Vim. What's a good file to just open it up in? Oh, I know. Well, we can just open up my Vim config. So let's go in there. That would be in the vimrc. And here's just some stuff. I'm using Pathogen as my package manager for Vim. Obviously, I'm still using Dracula as my theme because I'm using that theme everywhere, basically. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, it's pretty straightforward environment, I guess. But yeah, let me know if you guys like this video and if you wanted to see like a more in-depth version of one of these specific technologies. I'll do my best to give that to you.